Hi everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. The preview could not be loaded error on Elementor. This is a site. None of these posts are opening using Elementor. So I have looked into the issue. Why this error is coming? Why this error is coming? So after find out. So after looking into these issues, I found that this site is affected by malware. It was affected by index.php file. Let me show you. After scanning the site using WordPress, I found that there is a malware on the index.php file. This was the file. You can see this function, this malware function was there. So I removed this function from the index.php file. Now you can see it's a fresh index.php file. It was located on the root folder of the domain. Here it is, you can see. So after removing this, the Elementor page builder is loading fine. If I click on another like this one, you can see the Elementor page builder is loading fine. So this was a client project I'm showing you. So I have fixed this issue within 15 minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any WordPress issues or any comment on these videos, you can let me know. I will be happy to reply you. Thank you.